Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Command & Conquer General's Zero Hour on modern Windows systems. First, install the game from your original disk or digital download. Next, ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated to prevent common issues. Finally, locate the game's main installation folder, usually found in your Program Files directory, as we will need this for later steps. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. After installation, applying the correct patches is vital. First, install the official game patch, bringing it to version 1.04. This addresses many original bugs. Then download and apply the unofficial community patch, which significantly improves compatibility with newer operating systems. Lastly, consider using a fixed launcher, often found in community forums, to resolve common startup issues and ensure the game launches correctly every time. To further enhance stability, adjust the game's compatibility settings. Right-click the game executable and select Properties. Set it to run in Windows XP Service Pack 3 compatibility mode. Also, ensure the Run as Administrator option is checked for the executable. Finally, disable full-screen optimizations to prevent common display glitches and crashes, especially when switching between applications. These steps are key for a stable gaming session. For the best visual experience, optimize your display settings. Locate the options.ini file, typically in your Documents folder, and manually set your preferred screen resolution. Within the game, adjust graphics settings like texture quality and anti-aliasing to balance performance and visuals. For widescreen monitors, consider installing a community-made widescreen fix to ensure the game displays correctly without stretching or black bars. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.